Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fall makeup look for you guys. I know it's early, but I was feeling like burgundy reddish colors. So that's why I already did a fall makeup look. I'm sorry if it's too early for you guys. I'm sorry if it's still on vacation, but I was just feeling those colors. Yes, this is my first look for fall. I hope you guys like it. I kind of did like a half cut crease eyeshadow look, and then I did a berry lip. So if you want to know all the details about this makeup look, you just have to stick around. But before we go to the tutorial, I just want to say, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It would be really nice if you guys want to join the family. And yeah, so just stick around if you want to see this whole makeup look. Okay, so my brows are already done. So I'm just brushing them out a little bit so they look clean. First you want to take your Wet n Wild palette, the Sweet as Peach, not a basic peach palette, sorry. I'm going to take the transition color that's at the bottom, put it in my crease. You just want to blend your crease really well. This is just transition colors. Everything else that we're going to put in is going to go really smooth. Next I'm taking my Soft Glam palette. And the first color I'm taking is Mulberry. I'm going to take the same blending brush. I'm going to put it exactly on top of the color we just put right before. So you really want to put it in the crease. We're really going to build it up because we actually want it to be pretty dark. And you're going to put it in the outer corner all the way into the inner corner. So next I'm taking a smaller blending brush. I'm taking the same color Mulberry that we just put in the crease. I just wanted to dip in the crease a little bit more, so I'm going to take this one, just really pack it on the outer corner and really in the crease of my eye, just so it's really darker. Next what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Better Skin concealer and we're going to cut the crease. You really want to do just like almost half of your eye. So what I do, I take my pupil and whatever is at the outer corner, this is where I stop. And you really want to take the smaller brush you have so the lines look really sharp. Take your time, honestly you're not in a rush. It took me a while to do, but in the end this is how it's supposed to look. Next I took a smaller eyeshadow brush and I took the color Sultry. I'm just gonna put it all over my lid wherever I put the concealer before, and this is gonna be our lid color. So you really want to pack it on. This is such a beautiful color. It's really reflective, it's really glittery also, I find, but it's really a nice color. So next I took my smaller blending brush and just want to make sure the outer corner is blended with the lid color, so there's no like really harsh lines. It's okay if the top has a harsh line because this is what we want. For my skin I'm using primer, the SmashBox primer. All the names will be down below, of course, if you guys want to know the full names. Next I'm doing my foundations, my Maybelline foundations. Yeah, so just want to put it all over. Like I said, the names will be down below for you guys if you guys want to know what shade I'm in. And I just took my Real Technique sponge to blend everything in. So next for concealer, I took my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm just gonna sharp the edges of my shadows, do my under eyes, just so everything looks really clean. And I'm taking the other concealer just because I have kind of dark circles right now, so I just wanted to make sure I have a full coverage concealer. And then I'm just taking the same sponge I used before and I'm just gonna blend in. To set my concealer, I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm doing it with the sponge again just because it's really handy. You can do whatever you want with it. So I'm just going to set my concealer wherever I have concealer, and I'm also going to do my forehead, of course. Next for my I'm gonna contour with a foundation stick by Anastasia. It's in the color Espresso, if you guys want to know. And yeah, I'm contouring my whole face. I'm using like a compact brush just to blend everything out. And then to shape my contour, I'm just taking a little bit of the Mercier powder and doing my cheeks. And then to bronze, I'm taking my Bobbi Brown bronzer in the color Deep. And I'm also doing my forehead, not just the cheeks, because I really wanted to look bronze today. And then I'm just taking another brush just to take off the excess powder that we had before. Okay, so now we're gonna finish the eye. So I'm taking an angled brush and I'm going back with the color Mulberry. And I'm just gonna do the lower lash line. You really want to pack it on closer to your lash line as you can. And you go all the way into the inner corner with the same color. I'm just using one color for my lower lash line for this look. And I'm taking the same blending brush we had before. I'm just blending everything in so there's no harsh line, so everything looks smooth. For my mascara, I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. You don't have to put a lot, you can put whatever mascara you want, because anyways I'm gonna put false lashes. And I'm doing it at the top and the bottom lashes. For now, I'm putting a little bit of blush by MAC. I think the name is Sunbask. If I'm not sure, you guys can always take a look at the description box. But I'm pretty sure that's the name. And then I'm going to do my highlight. I'm going to use two highlights today. I'm going to use my Becca highlight in Topaz first. So you want to do your nose, your cheeks. I'm doing a little bit of my forehead also. And next I'm using the color 143 from the Glow Kit by Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero. Just so it has a little bit more of a bling to it. And then for my lips, I'm using the Annabelle Bordeaux lip liner to line my lips. So I'm doing like a really berry lip right now. So I'm gonna line my lips with this one. Next I'm taking my NYX Liquid Suede liquid lipstick in the color Cherry Skies, and I'm just gonna put this one on first. And next, I didn't show it, but next I use my Kat Von D. It's a purple color. I think it's Exorcist. I want to put the name down below because I'm not really sure. And that's it, guys. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Yeah, so me, of course, I really liked it. Otherwise, I wouldn't like put it up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys gonna try it at home. Maybe you guys can send me some pictures. Yeah, so of course, all the details will be down below. If you guys missed anything or didn't understand anything, all the details will be down below for all the makeup that I used. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.